What is up guys, Done at this site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to become an affiliate of Grammarly. So first you need to head over to your Grammarly support page by just typing support.grammarly.com, and after that you just need to hover till the end until you find the affiliate section here under the company. Click on affiliates and then in the new tab the affiliate section will open, and after that, on the left side, you will see the option to become an affiliate. Click on this become an affiliate option, and then a new window will open to enter the details as an affiliate. As you can see, these are the details for becoming an affiliate. Simply click on apply now, and after that, you will see an option to earn with Grammarly by just simply signing up. Simply click on sign up, and then you just need to read the contracts terms for Grammarly. So here the contracts terms for Grammarly will open. Just simply check this checkbox and then click on continue after reading, of course. And after that, you just simply need to sign up with your email, or you have these another options. And after signing up, you just need to enter your first name, last name, username, email address, password, and your mobile number. And when you're done, simply check this checkbox and then click on get started. And then you will get an affiliate link. Just simply copy that affiliate link and then you can paste it wherever you would like. And this is how you can become an affiliate in Grammarly. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.